Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome multivitamins for kiddos. They are gummy vitamins. They are by the company Llama Naturals, and they are all plant-based, which is absolutely amazing. So there's some like little tidbits on here that they tell you. So they are made out of whole fruit. There's no added sugar, which is awesome. And then it has 13 essential vitamins from 9 pounds of fruits and vegetables. So you know that your kiddo is getting some good supplements with this. And it has a low ingredient list, which is great. It has organic apples, strawberries, and like it tells you some other things that are added in it. You can see here. And then it has all the nutrients you need: vitamin A, C, D, E, K1, the list goes on. So I really like this brand. I feel comfortable giving my kiddo this. I know that they are getting he's getting the things he needs, but then not like extra things that are put into multivitamins for kiddos. He loves these. He asks for them every day. So what more could you ask for? Mom approved, kid approved. Check them out. And that is my point of view.